Ever wondered how secure your network really is? This question is more than just a thought provoker. It's a call to action in today's digital age, where the importance of network security cannot be overstated. Picture this: a world where your private information, your financial details, even your personal identity are all at risk of being compromised. Not a pretty sight, is it? That's the potential reality without secure networks. But what does it mean to have a secure network? In essence, it's a network that's impervious to threats, be they from malicious hackers, harmful software, or even internal errors. It's a fortress that guards your valuable digital assets and keeps unwanted visitors at bay. And in an age where our lives are intrinsically tied to the digital realm, a secure network is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. So, how do we go about ensuring that our networks are secure? That brings us to the 3 key principles of network security, often referred to as the CIA triad. No, not that CIA, but rather confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality, as the term suggests, is about keeping your information private. It's the art of making sure that only the right eyes see the right data. Integrity, on the other hand, ensures that your data remains untouched and unaltered, maintaining its original state. It's about guaranteeing that your data will be as you left it, no matter what. Lastly, there's availability. Because what good is data if you can't access it when you need to? Availability ensures that your network and the data within it is always accessible, always ready when you need it. Understanding these principles forms the bedrock of securing your network. A secure network isn't built in a day, but with these principles at heart, you're well on your way to creating a digital fortress that keeps your valuable information safe and sound. So, what are the essentials of network security? Let's break it down into manageable, easy to understand steps. The first step is implementing strong passwords. It may sound simple, but strong passwords are your first line of defense. They are the padlocks on your digital doors and windows, keeping unauthorized users out. Next, we have firewalls. Picture a castle with a high wall and a guarded gate. That's what a firewall does for your network. It scrutinizes the data entering and leaving your network, blocking anything that seems suspicious. The third step is updating and patching your systems regularly. This process is like getting a flu shot. You're updating your body's understanding of viruses so it can effectively fight off new strains. Similarly, software updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that hackers might exploit. Now let's talk about secure network protocols. These are the secure transport routes for your data. Think of them as armored vehicles, protecting valuable cargo as it moves from point A to point B. Using secure protocols like HTTPS and SFTP ensures that your data is encrypted and safe from prying eyes during transit. Finally, run regular security audits. This is akin to a regular health checkup, but for your network. These audits help identify potential weaknesses and rectify them before they can be exploited. Now, remember, network security is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance and regular maintenance. It's like tending to a garden. You can't just plant seeds and walk away, expecting everything to grow perfectly. You have to regularly water the plants, remove the weeds, and protect them from pests. By following these steps, you can create a secure network environment. But remember, the most secure network is one that adapts and evolves with the changing landscape of threats. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, stay secure. By following these steps, you can create a secure network environment. Now, let's summarize what we've learned about network security essentials. We've delved deep into the complexities of network security, highlighting its crucial role in protecting our data and systems. We've explored the essentials of network security, outlining the steps we need to take to ensure our networks are secure. And we've revisited the 3 key principles of network security: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, emphasizing how they underpin every aspect of a secure network. The importance of network security cannot be overstated. It's a dynamic, constantly evolving field that demands our attention and understanding. It's our shield, our fortress in this digital age. Dear incredible viewers, your support means the world to us. As we pour our hearts into creating content that inspires, entertains, and uplifts, we invite you to join our growing family. By hitting that subscribe button, you're not just a viewer, you're a cherished part of a community that believes in the power of connection and shared experiences. Your subscription fuels our passion and keeps the magic alive. So, click subscribe, hit the notification bell, and embark on this journey together. Your support is the heartbeat of our channel, and with each new subscriber, our family grows stronger. Thank you for being a crucial part of our story. Together, we'll create moments that linger in the hearts of many. Subscribe, share, and let's make memories together.